Hi friends, do you know the answers for the following questions? Let's check how many answers you know. You can use these questions to help your children improve their GK. Also, you can check your friends' GK and have fun. Let's move to our topic of the day. Quiz time. What was the main demand of working class in early 19th century? Option A, 10-hour workday. Option B, 12-hour workday. Option C, 6-hour workday. Option D, 8-hour workday. Where is Haymarket Square located? A, Chicago. B, New York. C, Denver. D, England. May Day is also known as options: A, International Workers' Day. B, Mother's Day. C, Women's Day. D, Friendship Day. Now it is time for GK Challenge story time. Here you will come to know about May Day, the past and the present, history of May Day and the present scenario of May Day. May Day is also known as International Labour Day or International Workers' Day, celebrated every year on 1st May. This day is observed as national holiday in many countries all over. May Day was chosen as the date for International Workers' Day by working class and unions to commemorate the Haymarket Affair in Chicago. Back to history. After American Revolution and rapid industrialization, in America the working classes had to meet many challenges in terms of working conditions, working hours and resting period. Most of the working class had to work 12 to 16 hours daily in unsafe conditions. They had very less time to take rest and other daily activities. The working class came up with 8-hour workday formula, wherein 8 hours for work, 8 hours for recreation, 8 hours for rest. On 1st May 1886, union representing the working class went on strike demanding above mentioned 8-hour workday model. But on 4th May 1886, one unfortunate incident took place where one person threw a bomb at Haymarket Square in Chicago, where the strike was going on, leading to large police intervention. All this resulted in bloodshed, deaths and injuries on the spot to both the parties. At present, now we have relatively safe working conditions and less working hours in comparison to early 19th century. This can be seen all over the world, especially in software and ITES, that is Information Technology Enabled Services industries. The working conditions have become more liberal with work from home options, weekly 40 hours, overtime, etc. So on this day, we pay tribute to contributions workers have made to make the world strong and prosper. This day is dedicated to the workers for their economic and social achievements. So now let's move to our answers time. Before going to our answers time, we have one small request. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon. This helps us and also motivates us in bringing more quality videos for you, your children, friends and relatives. So please like, share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Please, please, please. Thank you in advance. Let's find the answers in our GK challenge. It is answers time. For question number 1, what was the main demand of working class? The answer is option D, 8-hour workday. Answer for question 2, where is Haymarket Square located? The answer is option A, Chicago. Answer for question 3, May Day is also known as? Answer is option A, International Workers' Day.